Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fam 2 Cents video. We are now well into 2021 and the plan is to go all out on my cooking channel this year. So that means new kinds of videos, more live streams, new revenue streams, and hopefully more subscribers. The goal for 2020 was 1,000 subscribers and we managed to get extremely close. And if I'm honest, much closer than I thought we would. I never got the chance to put together a video celebrating the 900 sub milestone, but you better believe I do have something planned for when we hit 1,000. Thank you guys so much for all of the support, comments, and the sharing that you did last year. It meant a whole lot to me, and to show my appreciation, we are ramping things up this year. For example, the video that you're looking at right now is an unboxing of my first HelloFresh meal order. Now, HelloFresh is a meal delivery service that sends you ready-to-cook meals that can save you money and time. They conveniently pre-pack all the ingredients you need to make whatever meal it is that you choose from their large library of dishes. Full disclosure, this video is not sponsored by HelloFresh, and I paid for this service with my own money. The plan was to see if services like this are really worth it. There are several services that exist, and my plan is to try them all eventually, but I decided to start with the one that I see the most often. And so far, in regards to the shipping and ingredient quality, I think they did a pretty good job. All of the vegetables and stuff look fresh. They seem to send you everything you need to cook the dish to completion, with the exception of salt and pepper and, you know, oils like vegetable and olive oil and all that good stuff. The packaging also comes with these cards that show you exactly what to do. They are very detailed when it comes to the recipe and how to make the dish, and they also come with these pictures that give you basically a visual aid or representation of exactly what stage you should be at and what it should look like when you're there. Very handy. Very handy indeed, and it makes the cooking experience very comprehensive and easy to follow. So I did plan ahead and set myself up for at least 4 weeks worth of food, and I'll be cooking each meal on the channel and rating them. Now you get to go to the website and they have a whole bunch of stuff available. Not everything available all at once. It's on a week by week basis. You get to pick 4 meals or 3 meals or however you decide to set your package up, and you pick them yourself out of the selection that's there for that week, and they just send it to you. And like I said, I'm very impressed with what they've sent so far. I'll give you a little spoiler here. I've already made 2 of the dishes, like they're already done and recorded and need to be edited and uploaded, but I am very impressed with what I got so far. Those 2 meals that I made turned out to be very good, and I'm very happy with them. As far as the money is concerned and how much this service is, it seems to line up coming just under what we tend to spend on a week by week basis for food, which ends up working out, and not to mention the time we save from not having to actually walk to the store, grab the groceries, or end up in a situation where we get more groceries than what we need and wasted food that you throw away because you're buying more stuff than you need. There's a whole bunch of factors and stuff that plays into this that can actually make it significantly more affordable for you. You know, granted you get a coupon or something. It's all gonna really come down to what you spend normally, and you're gonna have to compare that to the cost of this service. Now, I got a coupon from a YouTube channel that I watch that had a promo code that I can use, and it took quite a bit off, so I was able to get a pretty good deal. But you know, you go to the site and check it out yourself and see, you know, if those prices that they have available will be good for you. If you happen to be watching a YouTuber who is offering a promo code, I would absolutely take advantage of it, because why not save money if you can. So I don't want to make this video too long, so go ahead and check out the rest of the unboxing. Make sure you guys hit that like button to show YouTube that you are enjoying my content, because YouTube's algorithm is just it just don't love us, guys. It don't love us at all, man. You gotta show support for the YouTubers that you like to watch, because YouTube just ain't doing it. It is unfortunate, but it is what it is. I am looking forward, though, to what this year has to offer, and hopefully you guys are looking forward to some of the content that I'll be putting forth. Like I said, thank you again very much for the support. I'll see you guys on the next one.